Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to disable send diagnostic data of your Samsung to a Samsung server. So slide up, go to settings, now search for security and privacy. It's going to be here. Now scroll down and search for the more privacy settings here. That's it. And there we have send diagnostic data. So you can disable it. And as you see, you can enable one more time by clicking right here. Yep, and that's all about the Samsung would help improving your product and service. If you don't wish to send it data, you can disable it or enable it if you want to send diagnostic data to Samsung. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!